Deep in the heart of the emerald jungle, where vines twisted like ribbons and waterfalls sang sweet lullabies, a surprising adventure was about to unfold. The jungle was home to many animals, some big, some tiny, some loud, some shy, but they didn't always get along. There were three main groups: the tree dwellers, monkeys, birds, and squirrels who swung and soared through the trees. The land paws, elephants, tigers, antelopes, and meerkats who ruled the ground. The water splashers, crocodiles, turtles, frogs, and hippos who called the rivers and lakes their home. Each group stuck to their own kind. They believed they were the smartest, the strongest, or the most clever. I mean, who needs paws when you've got wings? Chirped Polly the parrot, flipping through the canopy. Real strength is in our stomp, trumpeted Timber the elephant. Ha! You can't win without a splash, grunted Grizzle the crocodile, sinking below the water's surface. They all believed their way was best, until the jungle faced a challenge none of them could handle alone. Cloud with tornado hashed the great storm one afternoon. Dark clouds began to gather over the jungle. Thunder boomed. Wind howled. Rain poured so hard it turned tree branches into slippery slides and riverbanks into muddy messes. A huge landslide tumbled down Mount Mangrover, blocking the main waterway that fed the jungle's rivers, streams, and drinking holes. Without water, the plants would wither, the animals would grow thirsty, and the jungle would fall silent. The Jungle Council called for an emergency meeting at the Heart Tree. Animals of every kind arrived, grumbling, dripping, and unsure what to do. We must move the fallen rocks, said Grizzle the crocodile. Too heavy, said Timber the elephant, and we can't reach the top of the pile. Then let's fly up and push from above, Polly suggested. But how will tiny wings move massive stones, said Timber. The animals argued, pointing paws, flapping wings, and snapping jaws. Just then, a soft voice spoke up. It was Lulu the lizard, barely bigger than a leaf. Why not work together, she said. Together, the others echoed. Yes, Lulu continued, standing tall on a mossy log. Tree dwellers can spot cracks from above. Land paws can push and dig. Water splashers can help move soil and cool tired muscles. Alone, we are strong. But together, we are unstoppable. Paw Prints Operation Unity begins. The next morning, just as the mist began to lift, Operation Unity began. Polly and the birds flew above, scouting the safest places to dig and warning of danger. Elephant Timber and the land paws used their strength to roll boulders, dig trenches, and pull logs. Crocodile Grizzle and the water splashers cleared debris from streams and used their tails to paddle away dirt and mud. Even tiny animals joined in. Mice tunneled under roots to loosen soil. Bees brought sweet honey to tired workers. Fireflies lit the way at night. The jungle buzzed with teamwork like never before. Rainbow. A united jungle after 3 days and 3 nights, with backs sore and hearts full, the final rock was moved. The water gushed free, sparkling like diamonds as it flowed down the hillside. Animals cheered. Some danced. Even Grizzle the grumpy crocodile did a little tail wiggle. That evening, a rainbow arched over the Heart Tree, and the animals gathered to celebrate. Lulu climbed to the highest branch and declared, "Let this be known as the Day of Unity. From now on, no matter where we live, in trees, on land, or in water, we are one jungle family." And from that day forward, monkeys shared bananas with turtles, tigers took swimming lessons from frogs. Parrots taught elephants to sing. The jungle became louder, livelier, and more loving, all because they learned the magic of working together. Electric light bulb moral of the story: unity is strength. When we come together, despite our differences, we can overcome any challenge. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.